Welcome back to the MasterChef kitchen. Black aprons, another dark day. Dalvinda, second time in an elimination. How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm very terrified, actually.
And why?
I don't know.
Are you enjoying this experience?
I am. I mean, I'm enjoying it, but I just feel that... I don't know. I just feel like I'm not performing to my best expectations. I'm not putting up my hand to say, look, I can do this myself as well. I'm just curling up in a corner, you know. I'm scared of everyone. And it's just affecting me a lot, that's all.
So what's one big positive thing, one success that you've had that you can hang on going into this challenge?
Oh, definitely cooking with scallops actually the other day, and I didn't think I could do anything like that at all.
Wow.
Great dish.
Thanks.
So put that in your mind, hang on to it and, you know, pep up. No? Julia, you've tasted some failure. That's unusual for you, isn't it?
It is. It's not my, not my usual experience in life.
Can I ask you something? Have you always been good at everything in your life?
Mostly.
Yeah.
I find it very hard to not be good at things.
And then turning up here, all of a sudden you find yourself in a mix of people that are all really good at what they do. Has it been a surprise?
It is, but it's also fuel for my fire.
Okay. Right, let's remember why you're here. Yesterday, you didn't perform too well as a team and you lost the Oz Harvest Fundraiser Challenge. Unfortunately, today is an elimination. And at the end of today, one of you is going home.
You lost as a team, but now you're going to save yourself as an individual. Today's challenge is based around a protein. It's the second most popular protein in the world after pork. Your elimination challenge today will revolve around the protein of poultry.
Okay. I can do this.
There are 2 rounds in today's elimination. And the first round is Name That Bird.
I'm actually standing there so frightened. I don't know half those poultry sitting there under the cloches. What are they?
Looking at those birds, it's a bit overwhelming. 10 different types.
We all eat it, we all cook it, we love poultry, but surprisingly, it's pretty one-dimensional. Most people around this country eat one kind of poultry. And that you look along the line and you've got 10 different birds.
Deb, how many of those birds do you know?
Not many.
Having been a vegetarian for quite a long time, poultry is not something that I eat a lot of.
You've only just started cooking with poultry?
Well, not even poultry, just chicken.
Other game birds you've ever eaten? Other game birds?
No.
Has there anyone who's cooked with any game birds at all?
I'm familiar with the common poultry that we use, like chicken, duck, and quail. I know what they look like. The rest of them, including that last bird, what is that?
This is how it's going to work. We're going to point to each one of those birds. And you're going to write down what you think it is. The first 5 that name one of those birds incorrectly goes through to the second and final round.
Looking at the birds, I'm nervous. I can see that there's a spatchcock there and a squab there and that there are all these birds there that I know, but I'm wondering if they're trying to trip us up.
This round is called Name That Bird. Let's see if we can identify the first one. Wait for it. Looks familiar, looks predictable. Is it? You've got 20 seconds to write your answer down. Right, start with Andrew. Andrew?
Chicken.
Jules?
Chicken.
Tregan?
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
TK?
Chicken.
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 Alice, what did you write down?
Chicken.
And Deb?
Chicken.
It is indeed chicken, and you're all absolutely right. Well done. But that was the easiest one.
You have 20 seconds to write down the name of this beauty. Andrew, name that bird.
Duck.
Jules?
Duck.
Tregan?
Duck.
Delvinda?
Duck.
Amina?
Duck.
TK?
Pheasant.
TK, I'm sorry, but this bird is a duck. You are the first person through to the next round of the elimination. If you'd like to take your place at the back bench, please.
I've got it wrong and I'm really ashamed of myself. Duck is something that I cook all the time. I'm in elimination round 2 and it's so embarrassing to get duck wrong.
Mario?
Duck.
Julia?
Duck.
Alice?
Duck.
Deb?
You're going to laugh when you see what I wrote because a goose.
Oh my, and a goose you are. I love it, duck, duck, goose. Perfect game. Yeah, second bench, Deb, thank you. Well, we've got our first 2 people through the elimination round. 8 of you still in.
You've got 20 seconds to name this little bird. Off you go. Andrew, reveal your answer.
Quail.
Jules?
Quail.
Quail.
Delvinda?
Quail.
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 Alice?
Quail.
Correct. It is a quail. Well done.
Do you know this bird?
Turkey.
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 And Alice.
Turkey.
Well done, clean sweep.
Well, easy so far, but now it starts getting a little bit stickier. 3 spots up in that second round. 20 seconds to name that bird. Off you go. Andrew, let's have a look at your answer.
Pigeon or squab. Take your pick, I think they're the same.
You're right. Pigeon or squab. Exactly the same thing. Jules.
Squab.
Tregan.
Poussin.
I'm afraid Poussin is not right. Tregan, go and grab a bench.
Walking over to my bench, I'm completely devastated. I cannot believe I'm going to have to cook off in the second round.
Delvinda.
Pigeon.
Amina.
Pigeon.
Mario.
Pigeon.
Julia?
I wrote the wrong P. Partridge.
Partridge. Oh well, for the second time this week, we're going to see you cooking in black in the second round. Off you go. Well, there's one spot left to fill in the second round of this elimination. Alice?
I wrote the wrong S. Spatchcock.
Alice, spatchcock is not right. You're the final person through into the second round of this elimination. Off you go. Grab your bench.
Yeah, it's all good. It's all good.
I'm safe and I'm so relieved. And I'll look back at the people that are going to be cooking off and I'm just glad I'm not in with them because they've got to be 5 of the favourites in this competition.
Well, the 5 of you are safe and still in the competition, which is grounds for good celebrations. But what I really want to know, and I think Gary still, I want to know how much you really know. Who's the poultry king or queen? Hands up who knows this bird here.
Maybe.
Mario?
I'm going to say it's spatchcock.
This is a spatchcock. We get a bit trickier now. This little beauty.
Yeah.
Andrew, what do you reckon it is?
I'm going to say partridge.
Andrew, you're absolutely right, that's a partridge. All right, Andrew, we'll go here next.
That's a goose.
All right, getting a little bit trickier.
I know. I want to say a baby swan, but I don't think we eat those.
I think that's still treasonable to eat in England. It's a guinea fowl.
Yeah.
And I think the hardest one here, it's very popular in New Zealand. They make boil up with it. Anyone know? Or have anyone eaten it?
Kiwi?
It's not a kiwi. Kiwis look a lot more
Hey, we
like
eat
that.
kangaroos, don't we? So.
Yeah.
This is a mutton bird.
Oh.
If you ever get a chance to eat it,
Don't.
Don't.
think before you jump.